Hello, Peter. Good evening. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nay, good
Yes.
evening.
Yeah, because it's already nighttime in here. I
Chết
just
nhờ,
realized that it's
chết
still
nhờ.
afternoon in Vietnam. Mm-hmm.
Đu mát mát đé.
I'm sorry.
Đu mát mát đé.
Oh, is Mama here? Yes, but he's sleeping.
He's living in your room.
No, he's sleeping in their room.
Their room. In the
Yeah,
living room.
not in the living room, in their bedroom. We have a separate bedroom. I have my own
Seven.
bedroom. Mat, separate. Separate.
Separate. Separate bedroom.
When we say separate bedroom, that means Matmat room is not the same as my bedroom. They have their own room. I also have my own room. Separate, that means not in the same room. Like that. Separate.
So, different room.
What?
So he sleep in different room.
Yeah, in a different room. That's right, Peter.
Teacher,
Mm.
how many room did your house have?
We have one, two, three, four. We have five bedrooms.
For
Yeah.
for who? For you?
For my
For mát
for
mát
my parents. Okay, for my parents, for
is one
Matmat
room.
and his mom,
Okay, two room.
me and my sister.
Four room.
Yes, my brother
Five
and
room.
and my other sister.
Is six room.
Oh, Joe, just five, just five.
Just
Again,
five.
my parents, my room, my sister's room, Matmat's room, and my brother's room. Five
Five room.
bedroom. Yes.
This your
Uh,
house large.
what?
Your house large.
What do you mean late?
Like it's big.
It's not really like very big, but just good for 8 people. Yeah, it's quite big because
Who
imagine five
mm,
bedrooms.
uh, who have this house?
Pardon?
What is this? I write for you.
Okay, sure.
Can you see that?
Yes, house.
That's your house. That's
Oh
your
no,
house. That's
this is
house.
my parent. No, this is not my house. This is my parents' house. I don't have my house yet. I'm still living in my parents' house.
Your parents' house. So
Yeah.
is your are your parents rich?
No, they're not.
So do they have a lot of money to
I don't
build a
know.
big house?
No. They don't have a lot of money, but they were able to build a house. Mm. Yes. What about you? How many bedrooms are there in your house?
There are only two bedroom.
Ah, really? Yeah, because you belong in a small family. That's why there are only two bedrooms for you and your
Mm,
mom,
one
right?
room, one room is for a people go to my house and play and
Mm.
sleep in my house is one room,
Mm.
and one room is for my parent and me.
Ah, very good. So what do we call that room for other people who would visit you? So we call that one guest room.
Yes, room.
Yeah. So for example, if your cousin visits you, she could actually stay in that guest room. Or if your grandma visits you, she can actually stay there, right? That is a guest room. Okay, great. Yeah, because actually, there are many bedrooms in our house. Oh, hi. Yes. Oh, she's still there. Great. Okay, by the way, Peter, there are oh, hi. What is
She
hi
don't
in
know.
Vietnamese?
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
No, no, no. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Ah, all right. Let's see. Let's do it again. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Ah, there she is. Yes. Thank you for that, Peter. Okay, so anyway, Peter, we are now in Unit 6 is all about my things. Let's get started. Okay, now look at the pictures in here. You're going to write the words. Let's see if you can spell correctly. Because you are good in speaking skill. What about in writing
Teacher,
skill
wait
in
me
English?
a
Uh-huh.
minute. Wait me a minute.
Sure.
Teacher,
Sure. Mm.
teacher, do you know any language?
I don't know any language, but I can speak few languages of other languages. Like for example, do you know what I mean? Like for example, in Chinese, I know how to speak hi, how to ask question. I know what's teacher. Like for
Oh, do
example, teacher
you
is Lao
you
She.
you know how to speak Chinese?
No, just few words. Like for example, teacher, that's Lao She. Then if I say,
Teacher,
do you have any
what
question?
is hi? What is hello?
Hi in Chinese is ni hao.
Ni hao.
Chinese, that is in Chinese, ni hao.
Ni hao. I know.
Yes. Yes, and if you want to ask, like, do you have any question?
Teacher,
You could actually say,
teacher,
like,
what
Mayo Shimawentima.
is ice cream? Ice cream.
I don't know.
Michelin.
In Chinese?
Michelin. I
In
don't know.
Chinese?
Yes.
Let me
I
see.
Michelin có sân khấu không chịu?
Ice cream, right? Ice cream that we eat. Oh, yeah, that's right. Bing
Michelin.
Xiling. Bing Xiling. Like that. Okay, great, Peter. What about Spanish, Peter? Do you know how to speak Spanish?
Spanish. I don't know.
Oh, yes. I know some of the words for Spanish, but
Spanish.
basic ones. But I don't know how to speak Spanish, just few words.
Spanish. The Spanish have many ghosts. Ghosts.
Ghost?
You say
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. But anyway, we're going to look at this one, Peter. This is very easy. So we have here sweater. What about this one? What is
sweater.
it?
Umbrella.
Nice. How do you write that? Can you write it?
Okay.
Let's see if you are smart in spelling. Ah, there you go. Hmm.
Is that right?
Okay, let's make it right. Umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, what about this one? What is it?
It is
Very
a bat.
good. How about this?
Glove.
Great. What about glove is only one? What about if there are two?
Gloves. I don't know.
Great job. Okay, yeah, yes, you're correct. Gloves, that means two. A brush, nice. And lastly,
Skateboarding.
skateboard. How do you spell that? Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Mm.
Skateboard. Uh,
Very good. Wow, Peter. Okay, what kind of brush is it? Is it for the teeth?
No,
Okay,
for a
for
hair.
the, yeah,
Hair.
so we call it hair brush. Great. Okay, now let's look at this
In
one,
Vietnam, don't have
Peter.
this brush. There is another brush. Lấy gì mình cái lời.
Very good. So look at this one. So in listening part three, you only hear the words for
I
each
saw you
picture. So you're
brush.
going to match one. If you aren't sure of the match, you shouldn't worry. You will hear the conversation twice so you can
This
check or
is a
complete your
brush
answer.
hair in Vietnam.
Yeah, same here. That is also our hairbrush. And we also have a different brush, like a circle one. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. This is my hairbrush.
Okay.
Look, this is my hairbrush. There's many hair in here. Like
Yes,
this one.
in Vietnam have this hair brush.
Yeah, so this is what I use. All right. So Peter, let's look at this one because we're going to have a listening practice test. Okay. So in
Teacher,
here, yeah.
today I and my cousin to do a pizza.
Oh, you had pizza?
No, we do. We make a pizza.
Oh, very good. Okay, who teach you how to make a pizza?
My mom make pizza with me, and we watch how to make pizza in YouTube.
Very good. Okay, did you also make your own dough?
Under what is under?
Like, did you make your own dough? Like the bread for the pizza?
No, teacher. In
Mm.
Vietnam, have an old supermarket, and now it is a store of McDonald's.
Oh, wow. That's really great because you like eating McDonald's, right? Wow.
Yes.
What's your
Did
favorite
you eat
thing to eat
McDonald's?
in? Yes, I love McDonald's, especially their chicken nuggets.
Chicken and have burger too.
Yes, but I don't like the chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
Yeah, I don't like it. I just like their uh I forgot the name of that. Like the Big Mac. I like the Big Mac.
Big Mac. What is Big Mac?
Yeah. Big Mac burger. Big Mac burger.
You say.
Bánh mì kẹp thịt Big Mac.
Like that. In
Teacher, can
McDonald's.
can I hear again?
Yes, like this one.
Bánh mì kẹp thịt Big Mac.
Bánh mì kẹp thịt Big Mac.
What's that? Big Mac burger.
Big Mac.
Do you want to see? This is the Big Mac in McDonald's here. Let me show you. Wait a minute. I'm going to search in Google.
Ah.
Big Mac. Like this one. Oh, so yummy.
A hamburger.
Yeah, hamburger. Like burger.
Teacher,
But
do
there's no
you
ham in here.
do you use the 14 iPhone Pro Max?
Oh no, I don't. I have an iPhone, but it's not 14 Pro Max. It's not
What
14 Pro
is
Max.
the number of iPhone?
Oh, this iPhone? This is only 12 Pro Max.
What?
12.
12,
Yeah.
12,
Yeah,
12,
12.
12 Pro Max.
Yeah, what about you? Why do you know about iPhone 14 Pro Max?
Anyone here know iPhone 14 Pro Max and by 15 iPhone 15 Pro Max?
Ah, yes, but they are expensive, right?
Yes,
Yes.
I
Does
have a
anyone?
cheap iPhone. I have a
Ah,
cheap
okay.
iPhone. It's
Yes.
my iPhone and it's can't do anything.
It can actually call your mom.
Cold. It can call and make and be a clock.
Oh, wow. Yes. Okay, so who has an iPhone 14 Pro Max in your family, Peter?
Mm. My mom only have 10 Pro Max, and my dad have
Ah, yes.
this is my dad iPhone.
Ah, yes. Okay. So, do you want to have an iPhone 14 Pro Max?
My mom only have 10 Dong Pro Max. iPhone 10.
Ah, yes. It's
I
all right
have an
because
iPad.
actually,
I
yeah,
have an
it's not
iPad.
necessary. Yeah, it's not necessary to have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As long as you can call, you can text, and you can still use it, that's fine. Actually, this is my main phone. This is just a Samsung smartphone. I don't even use my iPhone. I only use that for taking pictures. Yeah,
Oh,
because iPhone is better in taking pictures. But with my daily use, I use my Android phone, which is a smartphone.
teacher,
Yes.
but now my mom use Samsung too.
Ah, wow, we are the same with your mom. We use Samsung.
My mom said Samsung can take a beautiful photo.
Ah, yes, Samsung can take a beautiful photo, but I don't like mine because this is an old version of I Samsung. This is Samsung Galaxy A31, an old version. So the
Teacher,
picture is
do
not,
you
it's not
use
good.
Yellow?
Zalo, yeah, I have Zalo.
I have a Yellow too.
Oh, really? That's great, Peter. Yes. Actually, I'm not sure if you are in the group, but your mom is in the group in Zalo.
Oh, my
Yeah.
mom have a Yellow of you. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. We always text each other if we have concerns about you. Like, for example, you will be absent, then your mom's gonna tell me in Zalo or the manager in our class. Yes. And if I
My
will be
mom,
absent, I can
this
text
my
your mom
mom
too.
send you an English English sent
Yes.
Vietnamese
Yeah, she
English.
always send me an English sentences. Let me check. Like, let me see. Peter. Okay, so yeah, your mom would say, Peter off tonight. Okay, teacher. Like that. Yeah, your mom can speak English. Okay,
My
anyway,
mom
Peter,
can
let's
speak
get.
English.
Yeah, she can speak English actually.
Yes, she
Yes,
can speak English.
great, Peter. Okay, so this time, Peter, let's look at this.
She
You're going
teach
to
me.
math.
She teach me.
Yeah. Oh, very good. She teaches you how to speak English. Nice. Now, this time you're going to look and match the animals and the things. Here it is, Peter.
6b. My things. Listen and look. There is one example. Which animal picture is on each thing?
I love animals. Uncle Jack, I've got pictures of them everywhere. Look, do you like my favorite sweater?
Yes, it's great, Betty.
Mom bought it for me. She got it last year when we visited the zoo. It's got a bat on it. Look.
I'd like one like that.
This is my favorite animal of all.
The one on your snowboard?
Yes, Dad bought it for me last January when we were on holiday in the mountains. I love swans, don't you?
Yes, I think they're amazing.
Here's my brush, too. My friend Mary gave it to me.
Wow, what a lovely butterfly.
Yeah, it's so pretty, isn't it? I keep it up there on my shelf next to that plastic eagle. I use it every day.
Oh, do you have any other animal pictures on your things?
Yes, Uncle Jack. I've got some on the backpack that I took on holiday with me when we went camping last summer.
The sharks on the pockets look really dangerous.
They don't, Uncle Jack. I love them, but I hated the flies that came in our tent. Do you like my umbrella? This has got animals on it, too.
Let me see. Oh, that's my favorite kind of animal.
Dolphins? I thought you liked octopuses best.
No,
Well, a friend of mine at school called Claire gave it to me. She went swimming with them once.
that was very brave of her.
Perhaps. And these are my new gloves.
Grandma made those for you, didn't she?
Yes, she wanted to make me something to wear to school in cold weather.
Are they nice and warm?
Yes, and she put these purple octopuses on them. She's very clever. They were a great birthday present.
All
Teacher, can
right.
I hear again the brush?
The brush. Oh, let me see.
A lovely butterfly.
Yeah, it's so pretty, isn't it?
Oh, a
I keep it up
butterfly.
there
See,
on my shelf.
I know.
It's all right.
Teacher,
Okay. Yes.
I draw a pen. I draw a picture in the morning. Do you
Wow,
want to?
what picture? Of course. I would love to
Okay.
see it.
I want to send it. Oh, Mama. Yeah, this is my picture.
Let me see.
This is
Oh, wow. You're very good at drawing. Nice. Okay, what did you draw, Peter?
I draw a girl foot bird.
Very good. Okay,
And
where is the girl?
this dog is playing with the bird. This is the girl.
Very good. Okay, now look, what animals did you draw?
I draw a bird and a dog.
Wow, nice. Okay, it
A dog
looks so
has a
great,
long tail.
Peter. Yes, you're very good at drawing. You're smart. And of course, you are skilled in drawing. Nice, Peter. Thank you for sharing that one to me.
Yeah,
Now,
this
this
is
time,
my
Peter.
cousin.
Wow. That's your cousin's drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, she's also good in drawing. I don't even know how to draw like that.
She draw
Yeah?
a people up, a people this. This.
Great, Peter. All right. So let's check your answers, Peter. So we have in here G, E, C, D, and F. Wow. So well done, Peter. You've got it all correct. Perfect. Now, look at this one. Where was the plastic eagle? Can you still remember?
Can you say again?
Where was the plastic eagle?
Black this eagle. Plastic eagle. What is
Oh,
black this?
oh, when we say plastic eagle, an eagle that is made of plastic. So this could be a toy like that. Just like this one, this is made of plastic. This is a plastic hairbrush.
Dragon. A Lego of a dragon and it's made of plastic. I make
Yes, that's
Lego
right.
of a dragon.
Very
dragon.
good.
You
Wow.
want to see it?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's so
That's it's a it.
oh wow, that looks
It's have
wonderful. Yeah,
a
that
gun.
is made of plastic. Yes, that is also made of plastic.
It's
Yes.
can it's can
Oh wow. That's great, Peter. You know what, Peter? You're very talented. You're creative. You're good at drawing. You can speak English well. Are you an
and
honor
it
student in
is
your
two
class?
gun.
Uh-huh.
There is two guns. There's two gun on his wings.
Very good, Peter. So, Peter, you mentioned there is two guns. Since we you can see two guns there, then we can say there are two guns.
Common. Who is common? The other person. The
What is
other.
What's that, Peter?
Who is that people? Go into the class.
Oh, actually, this is my next student. That's mean.
Okay, so goodbye.
Yeah, not yet. It's not yet the time. Yes. So anyway, hold on. Let me just mute him. Okay. So Peter, let's look at this one. What can you see in this picture?
I can see mom take for her daughter uh a t-shirt of a bag and the girl
That's right.
when she wear a bag look like
Very good. Okay. Now look, where are they?
I think they are in the supermarket
Very
a clothes
good.
store.
Yes, that's right, Peter. Okay, so Peter, thank you so much. You are very talkative in class. Keep it up because that is a good way to practice your speaking skill in English. So well done, Peter. I hope you learned something. You are smart and see you next week. Bye bye.
Goodbye.